to Matt Lewis Motorsport here in Birmingham, and we're finally getting the vibration cured on my ST. He's just going to reverse the car in now and hopefully get it up on the ramp. 345 mile trip, I think. Wait, 280 miles, I can't remember. I'll check. Oh, look at that. That piece of plastic needs to be sorted out. I can hear that rubbing. Hopefully get a new MAF sensor today as well. Honestly, finally getting this vibration, well, I don't want to speak too soon, but hopefully getting the vibration fixed on my really filthy car. I need to wash my car, it's absolutely disgusting. You can't even see the fact that it's got braided lines in there. Because obviously I had that done before one of the other ones were done.
Yeah, air texture's pretty good. You'll probably find they won't help at all. Rear bushes,
yeah,
really common on these. Front bushes not so much.
Do you have the facilities to get something like that fixed here?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Oh, fucking hell.
Yeah, they're done.
They're dead, are they?
Yeah.
Can you get them replaced here?
Yeah, I get some nothing might have saying. They're done, mate.
Oh, you can hear the road angel kicking off in the car.
Yeah, go on.
You have no idea how over the moon I'm going to be with you guys if you can get rid of my vibration.
Coming back for more, Raz.
We'll have it sorted. We will. We will.
I managed to buckle my old ST wheels at the same time as doing in my shafts. Mate, you just had something drop in your ear.
Oh, sound, nice one.
It came courtesy, free of charge from the car.
Nice.
There you go, that's what
Was that the one from
Yeah,
when,
you
you
saw
was,
it.
when you was having it checked out for us?
Yeah.
It was that bad though, didn't we? Like,
Oh, come on, it's not that bad. Come on. Can you see? There we go, it's not that bad.
It sounded a lot worse than
It's only a bit of plastic, it's not... It's so... I could have at least made it. Clearly they're brand savvy, they know what they're doing. This is running like 360 brake, I think. Mongoose straight through. Nice car. But he's doing a block mod at the moment, so he's just taking off the bits he needs. He's had to take off the scuttle panel to get to the manifold bolts or some shit.
Yeah, to get to the exhaust manifold bolts, down the back end.
You'll have to let me know in the comments if any of you are local to here, because if you're not already, you should be getting your car fixed up here. Early, just in case. So guys, we're just draining, well, I say we, he's just draining the gearbox oil now. I don't have one of these oil pans. Oh, fucking hell. Didn't get any on the lens, that's alright. That looks quite fresh. Well, I had the drive shaft done recently anyway, so. I'm hoping we take the shafts out, find they're completely knackered, rather than finding out they're absolutely fine and turns out it was just the bushes. Right, these bushes in here are fudgesticles. Fucked. I'm not allowed to swear. I'm not allowed to swear. So, can you tell anything from looking at this? I'm keeping this, it's going back in my car.
So you can just tell it's a cheap drive shaft.
I'm taking it to Euro car parts. And I'm going to get a refund.
Drive Tech or J&R drive shaft or something like that.
It's, I don't know what it is, but it's crap. But anyway, it's out. The first one's out. So guys, I've just been asking from his professional experience as to what he would notice in that would say it's bad. What did you say it was?
Where that part's rounded, the cup's rounded. We're on a genuine one. I'll show you the difference in a minute.
Okay, yeah, awesome. So guys, if you can take anything from this video, it's just don't get anything but genuine drive shafts in your car.
She's in there. Yeah, there's a circlip within the on the passenger side drive shaft. There's a circlip that holds it into the gearbox, and they do tend to get stuck, especially on the cheaper drive shafts.
Now, just so you give them a chance, what was your Ford-related YouTube channel?
Project Zero Racing.
Project Zero Racing.
Yeah, you'll find me on there. You
Guys,
can't miss it, it's bright pink.
I'll chuck that in the description section as well, but go check him out as well, because he mentioned that he did his build just a couple videos on
there's
that before.
a few videos up there of the build, and there'll be another one up in the next couple of weeks.
Have you got your big turbo videos up there?
No, not on there. Maybe soon at some point once we get the turbo.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to insert that video now. I'm going to get you to send it to me.
Okay, sweet.
And I'm going to insert the video of the car that he's built.
Okay, sweet.
And that's
all
it.
over that, man.
Sent. There we go. Shit shafts. Is that alright?
Yeah, it's just the circlet was being a bit of a...
So where's the CV joint then?
so that's a CV joint there.
Okay, so they look alright? Vibrate would be an understatement. It shakes the flipping windows.
It's not amazing. Go on. That's the kind of force you're looking at for vibration. It's not really an up and down force, more of a twisting motion to here for playing the bearings, but it's nothing
That one I think was alright. But I'm just not. The metaphor I always use is I wouldn't put one new battery in a TV remote and put one shit one in. I just couldn't deal with the stress of knowing that one had been done.
Yeah, if you're doing one, you might as well do the other.
So, guys, as you can see, the shit shafts are out finally. And I'm sure they're going to go around the corner in a minute and get the new ones so we can take a look at what they look like.
Here's one I made earlier.
Art attack. So what are you doing in here?
Just taking the gearbox seals out, replacing them as well.
Oh, okay, cool. Nice one. Show me the goodies.
Here's one I made earlier.
Let's get some curls in while you can.
Yeah, man.
Okay, so obviously that's not rounded, whereas
No, so it's the biggest way you can tell these are genuine shafts. Is because it's a tripod setup, they've got 3 holders for the bearings. It's basically the best way of telling that they're genuine shafts or not.
Nice. I mean, if you put them next to each other, you can see the blatant difference.
Yeah, they are.
Nice.
Simple.
I've got another one there.
I've got another one, they got the long ones there.
Fucking hell. Look at that length.
All about them.
Boy. It's about to use it.
See the difference there?
Yeah, I see that now, yeah. He's just painting my tip for me. Copper grease. Oh yeah? We've only just met and he's already sliding in. Oh, there we go. Right in. God, I can't wait to drive this car without vibration. It's going to be so exciting. So update, both new drive shafts are in. Well, reconditioned Ford ones. Both of those are in, and we're actually waiting for some new arms now with new bushes because mine was shot, which is probably compensating or at least contributing towards the vibration we're having. So he's just getting his getting this engine apart so we can do a block mod conversion and some belts and water pump and whatnot on this.
All the bits and bobs.
I wish he was doing it to mine instead, but
Maybe soon, mate.
if anyone wants to donate 600 and something pound, then they can. So just while we wait for the control arms to arrive, brand new ones because these are actually rubbish, we're going to try and sort out the intercooler that, as you can see, is wonky as hell. Loads of people let me know in the videos over the last year or two. Well, no, what we're talking about since it's been fitted, so the last like 6 months. We're trying to get that fixed. He's just looking for the correct tools now, and then we can try our very best to actually get it sorted. So I think what we're going to do, because these Direnza ones don't come with the same mounts that the AirTech ones do, we actually custom built a plate. So we're going to drill a little bit lower so that we can push this a little bit higher. Hopefully that should work. We're going to replace the map sensor and the MAF sensor, I think, depending on which one's dodgy. But either way, it's about time this car had some actual money spent on it, because I've been working too much recently. I've got Corley on the phone. I've got the AirPods in, so Corley's talking to me. So he says hello. So yeah, we're going to try and get this sorted now. Just waiting for the delivery man to turn up, and then we'll be good. Looking for a drill so we can get this done, but I'm pretty sure the man's just turned up with my parts. So we'll soon find out. So what are we going to do, like drill a hole in there somewhere?
Yeah, I'll chuck a pilot hole in and then go from there.
Yeah, boy.
Finally, parts have arrived. Right, apologies for the bad lighting, guys. Just getting the new lower control arm in. Yeah, TRW lower control arms. Obviously, they've got new ball joints in them and new bushes, so big upgrade on the ones that I've got down here. Finally, he's managed to drill through the piece of metal.
Finally.
The moment of truth is if the intercooler.
Yeah, that's going to bring it up nicely, that is.
I just hope it brings it up enough. You end up putting it wonky on like the other side, like. But either way, progress is still moving forward on the lower control arms going in. He's just doing the ball joints now.
Here you go, yeah.
Okay, just checking. Seeing as it's running, I thought I'd have a quick walk around this beast. Similar mods to mine, but it's obviously because it's the ST3, it's got the blacked out headlights. Bowlers, they look like 18s to me, I might be wrong. But apparently this is 360 horsepower. Big boy. I think it's a mongoose setup as well. But obviously it's cool to see another black car. It looks a lot better than it did. There we go. I think it's heading off now. He's taking it back to the guy that owns it. Right, gearbox oil's going back in. He's been spilling it everywhere. Okay, first drive. Sorry, it's very dark in here. It's getting close to night time anyway. But I just felt it was good to go and see if the car's got rid of its vibration. I'm sure you guys are as well. They're so fed up with me moaning about vibration. But that's fine. Oh, no scrape, we did okay. All I want from this right now is just to have a smile on my face and just to be like, right, it's cured. And then we can start concentrating on bigger things. No vibration there. Haven't hit boost, but we'll soon find out. Oh my god, it's so dark, I'm sorry. No vibration there. Okay, no vibration in that gear. Fucking hell, I've never felt it so smooth. Never felt that before.
Sounds supposed to feel.
Guys, again, I mean, if this video hasn't said it already, big shout out to Matt Lewis Motorsport here in Walsall, is that right?
Cannock.
Cannock.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're local to Birmingham, or anywhere really, it's certainly worth the trip out. Unfortunately, Hayden didn't come and say hello. But I'm not taking any responsibility for looking pale. It's fucking cold today. Well, excuse my language, it's really cold today, so no, I'm happy with that. Can't complain. I've literally never put my foot down in this car without vibration, so if you're having vibration in your ST, I would suggest you get genuine Ford driveshafts, and I would suggest that you look at replacing your lower control arms. So that's certainly something that's worth doing.
Genuine Ford lower arms as well.
Oh, hell yeah, man. Well, we're just going to turn back into the depot now. Thanks for watching today's video. Obviously, you've done really well if you've got this far. Let me know exactly what you think in the comment section below. Smash a like on the video as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Honestly, you do not understand how much that can help. But all the same, if you're new here, subscribe for more awesome Focus ST content. We have now got the vibration sorted, so I can stop going on about it. But again, that's all down to these guys, so big thanks to them. We're gonna head home now, and I can finally see what my car is actually like now it works. So I'm excited. I hope you can tell. But either way, we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out.